In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert an image behind text in Google Docs, and the process is pretty simple. First, let's put some image. You can go to the insert menu, click image, and you can select the image that you want. In this case, I'm going to select an image from the web, and I'm going to find some picture that I want to put as a background. So perhaps I want to pick this picture or maybe this picture and click insert. Okay, just wait. And now what we need to do is to click on the image and select this option that says behind the text. So basically that's a text wrapping setting that will put this image behind other content, including the text. So if you just drag it around, you can see that the image is essentially behind the text. It's not quite visible because the image and the text are not contrast enough, or you might want to reduce the opacity of this image so the text could still remain visible. So click on the image and go to image options, click adjustments, and you can reduce the opacity to something like maybe 10 or 20%. So that basically will allow the image to be not overly vibrant and allows the text to be visible. And that's how you can put an image behind text in Google Docs. And in case you want to adjust the image again, you can double click on the content like that, and it will open all sort of settings for the image. So yeah, that's basically how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.